for the night. You could be bae for the night.
Today I'm gonna be making cucumber kimchi using Semie's kimchi mix that I got from Kokoro. To me, kimchi seems quite difficult to make, but with this mix it made it so easy. It cut down what seems like a lengthy process into one that's just a few minutes, and it also still tasted pretty good. And the great thing is they have other different flavors as well. If you want to make radish kimchi, the mix is there, and if you want to make pickled kimchi, the mix is there. So I highly recommend you try it out too and enjoy.